I am down with cold and cough, slight feverish feeling since day before yesterday evening. So what I'm doing is uh, yesterday also I prepared this. I took 2 carrots, made a paste of it, and I'm boiling it with about 2 mugs of water. I'll boil this for about 10 minutes, and then I'll strain it, and then pour into a mug and add some salt, and I'll sip this as like how you take your green tea, morning once and evening once, for 2 days. So yesterday I took it, and today I'm preparing it for today also. So I'll have this, and I'll get rid of my cold, cough, and that uneasiness feeling by tomorrow. So this is tried and tested for the last 15 years, and this is a very simple method, easy method, and you get rid of cold, cough, fevers like just like that. So no need to take medicines for everything. So everyone, I think, should try this and make use of this simple method.